Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share Andhra's function style ladies finger 65. This will be so tasty friends. Firstly, after cleaning ladies fingers, we have to clean with the cloth and then we have to chop them like this. After that we have to add besan, 2 spoons and 1 spoon rice flour, 1 spoon corn flour, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, garam masala powder. We can double these ingredients according to our quantity friends. We have to coat them nicely and later we have to add a little bit of water. Ladies finger should be coated like this. Pieces should be coated like this. Now I am going to leave them to the hot oil. After adding them, we have to maintain the flame in medium. Let them fry in medium flame. Before adding, oil should be hot. After adding, the flame should be reduced to medium. And let them fry this. Let them fry like this. And we have to take them out. And here, cashew, peanuts, green chilies and curry leaves. We can fry them directly like this friends. Here I am going to coat this with the leftover masala, or else we can fry them directly and we can add them. And here I am going to coat them with this leftover masala. And let them coat like this. I am adding little bit of water. And now I am going to fry them also, or else we can fry directly. To make them more tastier, I fried like this. After frying like this, we have to add them to the fried ladies finger pieces. So finally, ladies finger 65 is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share, comment our videos.